Good evening, my friends, followers, and the new investors, especially. Today, I'll speak some points where you can put your heads and try to find out the mistakes which are generally uh, happen in the market especially with the new investor. आज स्टॉक प्राइस परचेस कर लिया नए इन्वेस्टर्स और इन्वेस्टर दे आर ऑलरेडी इन द मार्केट, जो खरीद लिया और नीचे जाता है, जिसको आप बेच दिए है ऊपर जाता है। तो आप यू कैनॉट डिसाइड, आप खाली सोचता है ये मेरा साथ होता है। whenever you think that this is the point of sale, you sell it, and after that it continuously goes up and it is double in a month or even very short period of time. Then what's happened? You go into anywhere else, and then whatever the value you obtain from there you put, that goes down. This happens. So the mistakes I'll speak today to avoid the losses by the investors. I'll speak very shortly some points. My all videos are educational in nature. It is a precautionary measure. From my side to my friends and followers, you must take to preserve your capital. I will never say it is a place of speculation. Most of the people, they came into the market or come into the market, they find the market is a place of speculation, and they think, okay, after buy, if it goes up, then we must earn, and we'll earn. And if it is goes down, there is a point where stop loss will put, and we must preserve our capital. This is always not correct. Stock market is a place of speculation only for the experienced traders who are really professional, but common investor or the retail investor, they cannot win against them. So this is the mistake where in very short period of time, common investor with in their mind, okay, in very short period of time we become rich and we make money, use money in the market, and they even borrow money and put in the market, and after that what's happened? There is a huge loss by the investor or the retail investor, and then he is out from the market or wash out from the market. So they take the market as a place of pure speculation, which is wrong. My all videos are pakka in educational in nature. From my side, I say to my friends and followers, you must educate not only yourself, for myself even, I must educate myself enough to preserve my capital in the market, and we will start earning then. So it is not a pure speculation place. Here we have to find out companies which can give us a multi-return in the years to come, even on the long term basis. Okay friends, next mistake. Some people have in their mind, okay, IPOs. IPOs is the best choice for them to make short term money. It is always not correct. IPOs applied in case of Reliance Power, even at 450 rupees. Now you find out the price, what is there? Single digit. Even it is, I think, 2-3 rupees. So 450 to 2-3, your money is fully washed out. IPO without study of the company, we should not put IPO, and especially retail investor, if they can't apply or they didn't have time to apply in the secondary market, even they try to, since it is fluctuating highly, they try to put their hard-earned money in the IPO. When listed on the date of listing, early morning they put their order as market, and they get stuck up there and their money on long term basis or few days, after few days they find there is a depreciation. Once you lost your money, it is very difficult to recover. From my side, I have experienced that one. It is, recovery will take time. Okay friends, next I said you is not place for speculation, and it is IPO is always not well for the investor to make short term money. Number 3, we find out the many stock which has come down, they were gave good return to the previous investor which came down now. We must do, and they will again perform. This is also a wrong idea. It may not be possible for every stock which came down ultimately will go up again. That is also wrong idea. And next misconception is stock. Some people having in their mind, okay, large cap, we'll put our money in the large cap. Large cap means that with the larger capital they covered widely, they covered many investors, their capital is high, they generally having their product also known to the markets, and ultimately will not make good return, but it will give regularly, like after 2-3 years, 5 years, it will give as moderate return. It may not be always correct. We can find out, or I can give you the example where the large cap ultimately came to the small cap. Determination of small cap, mid cap or large cap, that I have already spoken. Please watch my earlier videos. Next, the stock which has already given you good return and came down, again they will perform. That is also not guaranteed. So be careful before putting your hard-earned money into the markets. Okay, so market is a place where buying share and selling share and earn money is little bit difficult. Without, sometimes you earn money, but that does not mean you can win against those experienced traders or who are really professionally speculator. You cannot win, or the common investor, they cannot win. Next, my friend, I'll speak one more thing or two more things. Like sorry, stock which is in the forthcoming days or yesterday or even today which was hot, and tomorrow in the early morning we get in, it may be hot and you can earn money. That is also the wrong idea. So putting your hard-earned money and earning out of market become difficult when you are not properly studied. Today the misconception about the market which I have spoken, next day I have already spoken some of my portfolios which include some pockets of MNCs as well as some Indian company also I am going to speak. So misconception, just you have to remove from your mind to preserve your capital first, and then you earn money on the long term basis. If you are investor, then you must win, but you have to study, you have to take into consideration, which I have already spoken, how to choose a multi-bagger company in my previous video. Thank you friends. Before ending up, I am going to spell one of my suggested stock was Morapen Limited and Maskan Pharmaceutical. Both I am invested and they are giving last few days multi-return, and as per my idea, I was waiting very long time back. Both stock I have suggested at a single digit rupees or 10 rupees, 11 rupees. Maskan I suggested at 12-13 rupees. Morapen I suggested 5, 6, 7 years back at a single digit. I am holding in Morapen at rupees, average price of 4 rupees per shares. So Morapen and Maskan, they are fundamentally very strong and they may outperform the markets I'm long-term investors, both I'll stay long, and investor, as per my belief, must win in the end. And it happened for me. Now, one more thing I'm going to speak you. Sometime into our minds, the last point related to this, into our mind, some stock price which has gone much above will come down ultimately. This may not be always true. As per my idea, on long term basis, it may not be true for Musk and Morgan both. Thank you friends, good night. Please put a like and you can subscribe me or track me for further new videos. I am there to help you and to brush the investor mind on my friends and followers. I'll try to like rejoice them to make money into the market. Okay, thank you, good night. Best of luck.